Hi guys, welcome to Non-Biased Reviews. Today we're reviewing the OkiOki Upholstered Bed Frame. OkiOki not only sells mattresses, and this is the Oki firm that we're currently sitting on that we received together with the headboard and the bed frame, but OkiOki sells some furniture, bed furniture as well. They have really cute bedside tables as well as two kinds of bed. One is a mid-century wooden bed frame and headboard, and this one is the upholstered headboard. So this one comes in this darker gray, but you also have a lighter colored gray that could work well with a white wall or a darker kind of wall behind to create some contrast. But we went with the darker gray just because we have a light gray wall in the back and we thought that would look good in this room. I'm very excited to have a new bed to showcase a lot of our reviews. The old one was getting old. We were ready for a bit of a change, and I like the price point of the OkiOki. This headboard and bed frame is right underneath the $500 mark on the queen size headboard. So it's currently discounted to $450. $500 is the non-discounted price. You can also purchase it in a full or a king size bed. So let's take a quick look at how the unpacking and the assembling went. So we'll have a quick video showing you the process, and we got help from some little hands. But all in all, an easy process. Let's just take a quick look. Building the upholstered bed from OkiOki was a fairly easy process. If you've built any IKEA beds before, you're more than qualified for the OkiOki upholstered bed construction. It's extremely easy. It's something that I would recommend having two adults to do, just because it's not heavy at all. So the weight is not going to be an issue if you're on your own. It is, however, easier to fit those side panels if you're two adults and can carry both sides at the same time and click them in. The screws are all included. The only thing that I would recommend you having is a power drill. You could go without one. It would just take a little bit longer with a screwdriver. We had a power drill and my husband helped me and did most of the construction. The kids were happy to jump in and give a little bit of help. But everything was included. So in the box came the headboard, which is this upholstered piece that looks very good and is soft and very comfortable. The two side panels and the footboard, and as you could tell in the video, we had a centerpiece that is making sure the bed is not moving anywhere, and then we laid down the slats. And those I thought were really convenient because they came with Velcro. So there's Velcro on both sides of the sideboards and Velcro underneath the slates. And so you're able to easily space out the slates and then adjust as you need. And then they recommend actually screwing those in. And for that you would probably need a power drill. We decided not to do it yet. We're not quite sure whether we'll leave the slates in or maybe add an adjustable base. So for the time being, the slates are not screwed in, but the bed is very stable. No complaint on that side, and I think it looks really good. So I'll give you a little bit of a better camera angle on the bed, but I think it looks fantastic. They're Oki firm mattress. fits perfectly in it, and that's a queen, so I'm assuming all queen beds will fit really nicely. So OkiOki is recommending that you don't use any harsh chemicals to clean this bed. Best is to spot clean it with mild soap or detergent using a damp cloth. And depending on the color that you choose, another reason why we chose this darker color is to avoid any sorts of spotting, heads rubbing and making this change colors and get dirty. I just think this color would hide any sort of dirt really well, but that's something that we'll know as time goes on. The other option is a lighter gray, and you might need from time to time to spot clean it. If that's the case, as I said, a damp cloth and some mild soap or detergent would do the work really well. One thing that you should prevent from doing is keeping this bed and headrest near cooling or heating appliances or vents, just to make sure you give it as much life as you can get. But overall, this is a very good looking, very luxurious looking headboard. I love that it's not just a headboard, but that the sideboards as well as the footboard come in that upholstered look, which gives it a nice and luxurious feel to it. And then underneath the bed, you have smaller feet that go along the center beam that will allow the center of the mattress, as you sit on it and put weight on it, those will start touching the ground and will add a lot of support to the mattress and to your bodies as you sleep. You wouldn't need to add any box springs or any foundation to it. You can put your mattresses right on the slates, and that will be enough support for the mattress. It looks really good. There's no sense of cracking, so we've tested it, believe me. The wobbling is very minor, and I think if you put a deeper mattress in, or if you screw the slates in, as we have not yet done, we're still playing with that idea, you'd probably be fixing a lot of the wobbling. But overall, a very good looking bed that I'm very happy with, at a price point that you can't beat. So you get that queen size headboard and base under the $500 mark, and it looks very good. This just looks like a really good looking bed, and you'd never guess that it's as cheap as it is.